you snuggled in? Yeah. Good morning. Sweet baby. Good morning. Sammy, I don't think it's time yet. I think it's still dark out. She says, I am ready. I am ready. Yeah, you ready? Okay. Let me fill up my coffee. And we'll go outside. We'll sit outside in the dark. Won't take. Sammy, we're up way before the sun is up. She's got lots of energy this morning. Thanks for the light, truck. I can see the boat ramp through here. So I can sit here and watch the boats being unloaded. All the fishermen going fishing. Yeah. There's a burn ban here, or I would be having a campfire right now, because this is when I love to get up, have a campfire, and just let it naturally, maybe cook some breakfast and let it naturally go out. Yeah. But there's a burn ban, so can't do that. So I'm just gonna sit here, enjoy my coffee, watch the lake. Breakfast this morning is some bacon. Already started on my apple. And that's what I'm having for breakfast this morning. About finished my apple. Oh, there's a squirrel. I bet he would like my apple. You gonna come over here and... He's looking at me like, yeah. Breakfast of champions. Well, I got the pork shoulder in the crock pot. I just need to put some seasonings on it. That's a lot of meat. That's a lot of food right there. But I do have company coming, so that's what we're going to have for dinner today and probably tomorrow. Yay! Let me put some seasoning on it. Okay, I use this Head Country Championship Seasoning Original. It's pretty good. It's really good on pork. So, just put some of that in there, and then I'll stir it up later. I'll stir it up later when it gets cooking good. All right, wait 5, 6, 7 hours, something like that. So easy. Look what I got. I got me some new gloves. I ordered them off of Amazon. This is kind of how I remember I think I must have got them, now that I think about it, at Sam's. Long time ago. But anyway, yippee! I'm sitting here cleaning out my truck. It's like eventually you got to stop and clean out your truck. So, I had picked these up the other day at my post office box. So, they were in the truck, so now I'm going to put them where they belong. Oh, yeah. See, those fit so good. Yeah, I'm glad I ordered them. Hey, look who's here. Hey, Sammy, look who's here. Look who's here. Whoa.
Hey, everybody. Sweet.
Sweet.
I brought you something fantastic.
Oh, my gosh. Look at that.
You can get you a long straw.
Long straw. Yay.
All right.
We're going to go fishing.
Yeehaw.
Hee-haw.
Oh,
Sammy's excited.
I'll bet you, baby girl.
Go say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Are you excited? Yeah. She says,
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Hi, baby. Hi. I missed you. Oh, my gosh. It's been so long.
She says it has.
No.
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
A payday.
Breakfast.
Okay, got some worms. And we got our regulations for fishing daily limit and length. So we are ready to go fishing. All right, we got our fishing poles, we got our fishing hat, got our fishing chair, and worms. I think we're ready. We're going fishing. Are you ready?
I'm ready, and looks like he's getting ready to vacate
Your sight?
my side.
I'm sitting backwards.
Cut that out, Blue.
All right, Dubs, I think that was my worst fishing experience ever. Not even a nibble on worms. I mean, I've never had not a perch, anything not nibble on a worm.
That's probably my second, but I did get nibbles the last time. But it was still bad.
Yeah.
And when you and I've been together, that's not ever happened.
I know. That was the worst fishing trip in history. Well, not in history, but it was fun. But yeah, not even a bite.
Well, it's hard to fight 100-mile-an-hour wind.
Well, yeah, the wind was blowing pretty hard. All right. Well, I'm glad I have dinner in the crock pot because we'd be starving.
Yeah, we would be. I'm telling you.
I just put the crock pot on low. It's really done, but I'm not ready to eat. Look at that. Ooh, it's so tender. So, I'm going to take that bite out. That's mine. But I'm going to throw some garlic in there. Let that garlic cook. Oh. Yeah. Hot. Oh, but so good. You got a great campsite, Dubs.
Yes, I do. I cannot argue that fact.
Yeah. Look at those blackbirds.
I saw a cardinal.
Yeah. Right here on the lake. We're going to do some fishing later. Right there. Gonna wait until it gets a little later in the day.
I have to pull that mother rod.
Yeah.
Catfish rod.
Catfishing. What do you say?
When you sit under a tree, you might get a little bird dropping.
Just don't look up.
That's a first. Yeah, don't look up.
Yeah.
Because like that's the first time that's ever happened. So.
Oh, well, maybe it's good luck.
Hey, we're gonna catch fish tonight.
Okay.
That's it, right there.
There you go. Okay, we're having a picnic, but we're fighting the winds. So watch your lettuce. Hope it doesn't. Oh, it's gonna fly in my face.
Block.
So there's the cooked pork shoulder. We got some of that artisan bread, some pimento cheese. And if you hadn't tried this, the olive salad is wonderful. She's got balsamic vinaigrette. I have balsamic vinegar.
Vinegar or oil?
And no, that's vinegar and this
Okay.
is oil.
Yeah, I have some oil like that.
So
This
let's
is-
see.
Let's do it.
Oh, look. Falling off there is no bone.
Melt in your mouth though. Oh my gosh.
You stay. Good girl. Good girl. They're just gonna get in the water, okay? Ooh.